Welcome to our channel. If you're a man looking to upgrade your hair care routine, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the best conditioners for men, covering everything from moisturizing dry hair to taming frizz and adding shine. We'll explore top brands, discuss key ingredients, and help you find the perfect conditioner for your hair type. Stay tuned to discover the conditioners that can take your hair from good to great. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews. Number 1. Revitalize your hair with Olaplex No. 5-Bond Maintenance Conditioner. A high-performance conditioner designed to strengthen, hydrate, and repair damaged hair. This advanced formula is infused with the unique Olaplex bond-building technology, which targets broken disulfide bonds in the hair, restoring its structure and health. The sleek design of the Olaplex No. 5 bottle makes it easy to use and store, while its compact size is perfect for travel or everyday use. The conditioner is suitable for all hair types, from fine to thick, and works especially well for those with chemically treated or heat-damaged hair. Olaplex No. 5-Bond Maintenance Conditioner offers deep hydration without weighing hair down, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. The lightweight formula is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and color-safe, ensuring it's gentle on your hair while providing powerful results. Durability and value are key, and this conditioner comes in a 250 ml bottle, offering plenty of product to keep your hair looking its best. Though it's priced higher than average conditioners, the results are worth it, as it helps prevent breakage and promotes overall hair health. Number 2. Experience the nourishing power of SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Conditioner with coconut and hibiscus, specially formulated for thick and curly hair. This conditioner is designed to deeply moisturize and soften your curls, making them more manageable and enhancing their natural shine. The 13 ounces bottle is easy to use, with a convenient fit top cap for quick application. The conditioner features a rich blend of natural ingredients, including coconut oil, which hydrates and protects, and hibiscus flower extract, known for its ability to improve hair elasticity and reduce breakage. This formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, ensuring a gentle yet effective conditioning experience. SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Conditioner is particularly effective at detangling thick, curly hair, reducing frizz, and leaving your curls looking defined and bouncy. It's perfect for those who struggle with dry, coarse hair, offering a solution that smooths and softens without weighing down your curls. Durability is key, and this 13 ounces bottle provides plenty of product to keep your hair looking its best. Despite its premium quality, SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Conditioner is priced affordably, offering excellent value for money. Number 3. Revitalize your hair with Dove Ultra Care Conditioner Coconut and Hydration, designed specifically for dry hair. This luxurious conditioner, in a generous 25.4 ounces bottle, is packed with a nourishing blend of coconut oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil, delivering deep hydration to quench parched hair and restore its natural softness and shine. The sleek bottle design features a convenient pump dispenser, allowing for easy application and precise dosage. The rich formula is designed to detangle and smooth, making it ideal for hair prone to dryness, frizz, or damage. Coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, while jojoba oil and sweet almond oil provide additional nourishment and repair, helping to strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Dove Ultra Care Conditioner Coconut and Hydration leaves your hair feeling silky, smooth, and manageable without weighing it down. It's suitable for all hair types, especially those in need of extra moisture and care. The conditioner is also free from harsh chemicals, ensuring it's gentle on your hair and scalp. Despite its premium ingredients and generous size, Dove Ultra Care Conditioner is affordably priced, offering excellent value for money. Number 4. Nutrafol Conditioner is the perfect solution for those seeking a physician-formulated product designed to strengthen and hydrate thinning hair. This 8.1 fluid ounces bottle contains a powerful blend of botanical ingredients that work together to nourish, moisturize, and revitalize hair from root to tip. The lightweight formula is designed to provide deep conditioning without leaving residue, ensuring your hair feels soft and healthy. This conditioner is color-safe, making it ideal for those with color-treated hair, and it helps to prevent breakage and split ends. The unique formulation combines natural extracts known for their hair-strengthening properties, offering a protective barrier that guards against environmental stresses and heat damage. Nutrafol Conditioner is designed for durability and effectiveness, with a convenient pump dispenser that allows for easy application and control. It's perfect for those with thinning hair or anyone seeking a conditioner that delivers noticeable results without weighing hair down. The sleek design of the bottle makes it an attractive addition to any bathroom shelf. Despite its premium quality, Nutrafol conditioner is priced competitively, offering excellent value for its range of benefits. Number 5. Experience deep hydration and nourishment with SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner. This 13 ounces conditioner is specially formulated for dry and damaged hair, featuring a powerful blend of Manuka honey and Manuka oil. These ingredients work together to lock in moisture, restore shine, and soften hair, leaving it more manageable and healthy looking. The sleek bottle design with a convenient flip-top cap makes application easy. SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner is designed to revitalize hair that's been stressed by heat styling, color treatments, or environmental factors. Manuka honey is known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, while Manuka oil helps to repair and strengthen hair, reducing breakage and split ends. This conditioner is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and color-safe, ensuring a gentle yet effective treatment for your hair. It's perfect for those with curly, wavy, or thick hair types, as it provides intense hydration without weighing hair down. The formula's rich consistency helps to detangle and tame frizz, making styling a breeze. Despite its premium ingredients and effective results, SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner is affordably priced, offering excellent value for money. Number 6. Paul Mitchell The Conditioner Original Leave-In is a lightweight and versatile leave-in conditioner designed to balance moisture and improve manageability for all hair types. This 16.9 full oz bottle offers a generous amount of product, perfect for daily use and suitable for a wide range of hair textures. The design of the bottle is sleek and user-friendly, with a convenient pump dispenser that ensures easy and precise application. The unique formula contains Hawaiian Owapihi, which helps balance moisture levels in the hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and frizz-free. It's ideal for use on damp hair before styling, providing a smooth base and helping to detangle and tame unruly hair. Paul Mitchell The Conditioner is designed for durability, with a formula that's free from parabens and gluten. It's also color-safe, making it perfect for color-treated hair. The leave-in formula allows for extended moisture throughout the day, ensuring your hair stays hydrated and looks its best. Despite its high-quality ingredients and effective results, Paul Mitchell The Conditioner Original Leave-In is priced affordably, offering excellent value for the size and performance. Number 7. Experience soothing relief for your scalp with Aveeno Scalp Soothing Oat Milk Blend Conditioner. This gentle conditioner, in a convenient 12 fluid ounces bottle, is designed to nourish and hydrate your hair while soothing your scalp. It features a unique blend of oat milk, known for its calming properties, and almond oil, which provides deep moisture without weighing your hair down. The bottle's sleek design includes an easy-to-use flip-top cap, allowing for quick and precise application. The conditioner is ideal for those with sensitive scalps or dry hair, offering a lightweight solution that leaves hair soft, smooth, and manageable. Its soothing formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and dyes, making it gentle on both hair and scalp. Aveeno Scalp Soothing Oat Milk Blend Conditioner is effective at detangling and reducing frizz, providing a sleek and shiny finish. Its fresh scent adds a touch of relaxation to your hair care routine, while the rich formula helps to restore your hair's natural moisture balance. Durability is key, and this 12 fluid ounces bottle offers plenty of product to keep your hair and scalp healthy. Despite its premium ingredients, Aveeno's conditioner is affordably priced, providing excellent value for its quality and effectiveness. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found the best conditioner for your hair needs. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more grooming tips, product reviews, and style guides. Got a favorite conditioner? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.